Folks, I have to mark this occasion because I'm at the Hyatt Regency San Francisco. Well, sometimes they call it the Grand Hyatt, but ever since it opened, which goes back to, I believe, 1978, this has been a Babbling Brook. But now in 2016, no. In fact, during Super Bowl 50, this was a Babbling Brook, one running water. But no, look at this, lights. See this? Lights. Take a look. See the lights. See that? I guess they're trying to save water because you had two areas of running water. You had this brook, and then you also had what's called the Equinox fountain and sculpture, which is this. Okay, so now you've got to see this. This is the only running water in the entire place. Well, not in the entire place, but of the atrium. Here, see? This remains. And it's nice and warm for a change. The past has been cold. Oh, that's warm. Nice. And that's the fountain. Big change in the Hyatt Regency here. But fortunately, the elevator remains.